I'll throw the anchor just offshore waiting for you. Now you hurry back with that gasoline. I'll be right here.
Do we trust that guy to come back?
Don't think we got much choice in the matter.
Fair enough. But you're the first 3 people in the world I have ever trusted. Shit, I don't even trust myself.
Well, I don't know, Nick. I learned to trust you. So what do I know?
In that case, how do you trust your judgment?
Next gas, 2 miles. Oh, shit.
Look out now!
Look out!
Spin things around. Reloading! Spin coming!
Reloading!
Oh, this is bad.
Shoot the tank!
Do not shoot me!
Reloading! Reload!
Reloading!
Heads up, go!
Reloading!
We can cut through this garage sale. Weapons over here.
Look for landmarks. We're in the dark on our way back. Sounds like a wish.
Turn off your light.
Fire spit coming! Oh, I got hit by burning goose shit!
Hey, get in here!
We are the kings of the world!
Ready? Ready for this?
You're shooting me!
Yeah, maybe that's good.
This is right up. Hell yeah!
I hear smoking. Heads up!
floor with you. Stick that where the sun don't shine.
Yeah, no.
Suck on that.
You got pit.
Take that, you mealy-mouthed bastard.
Sorry, no.
Grenade!
Nah,
Give
man.
up now?
No.
You don't stand
Up that
a
ramp.
chance.
You ready?
I call foul. Take that, you mealy-mouthed bastard.
Yeah, no.
Over there. We gotta move.
Up here.
My ass.
Kiss my ass.
We are wiping the floor with you. Kiss my ass.
Son of a bitch.
Is this some kind of sick joke?
Watch where you're shooting!
Hey, there's the gas station! Through the wheat field!
That shit.
Hit it.
Asshole!
You should heal up.
Last time
Jockey!
It's all going to hell.
Elevator's here.
Man, I single fall here, and yeah, I can't get up.
I got you.
Everybody grab the hell. Jockey shot me!
What? You shot me. Reloading.
Son of a bitch. Yeah, I'm ready already. No.
Ellis.
Hold up, yo. I'm gonna heal your ass.
Thanks.
We ready?
Careful.
Everybody ready? We ready.
Sorry, no.
We're making
Dumb shit. Oh, you want Ellis?
Come on, people.
Jesus, there's a lot of
Keep
witches
moving,
around
head
this
for the
place.
side.
Keep moving! Keep moving! Just head for the sign!
clown. God damn it! Pal, kiss my ass.
An ass clown.
I am not dying in a goddamn sugar mill.
Healing.
In a minute. Gotta
Hey, wait,
heal.
that's
That's what I'm
not
talking
bad.
about.
Careful, smoker.
people. Everybody got a can?
Yep. Let's get back to the damn boat.
Ready?
Yeah, no.
No.
Yes.
Okay, we ready? No.
No.
Nice.
Ready?
Everyone ready?
Yeah.
We ready? We ready?
Sorry over there.
We ready? Yes. Nope.
How bad do these storms get?
Who the hell do you think is...
Retrace our steps. Head through the field.
Bastards. I'm sorry, okay? This is our plan. Well, sorry.
My ass!
See a damn thing! Back down the stairs!
Ready? Son of a bitch.
Shit! I call foul!
There's a smoker around here.
Shit! This way! Ass cloud!
Is this some kind of sick joke?
All right.
Tits!
Yeah, let's do
Down
it.
here.
Yep.
Son of a bitch.
Sorry, no.
What? To some bastards.
Okay. Nah, man.
Sure, taking you right already.
No.
Asshole!
Damn.
God damn it!
A mask gun.
Asshat! This is all going to hell. Look out now!
Kiss my ass.
All right, thanks.
No big thing, Coach.
Hold
Hey,
on,
wait a
y'all, I'm
second.
healing.
I gotta heal.
All good.
Everybody ready?
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
Son of a bitch!
Bro, time to heal.
Tits. Yeah, no.
Let's be careful.
Yeah, I'm ready. Grab a health kit.
Damn!
Ready?
Screw this!
Man, we...
water looks knee-deep in places.
It's like a fabled city of Atlantis.
Some kind of sick joke.
We can get across on the rooftops.
Reloading.
Storm coming!
There's that garage sale. Heads up! Look out!
Okay. Take that, This is all going to hell.
No.
Holy shit.
Yep.
Dumb shit. Kiss my
I'm
ass.
thinking we... Yeah, that's not... Okay.
Bullshit.
Hell yeah. Grab a health kit.
Stop. The tank, Nick!
Nah, man.
Stop moving so I can heal you.
I hear a smoker.
Thanks. Everyone. Thank you. Everyone. Thank you.
Reloading.
Hold on, I'm coming!
There's that busted up truck.
Watch where you're shooting! Storm's coming! Reloading here!
Incoming. Get inside.
Let's go. Almost back to the boat.
What are we supposed to signal him with?
Hey, what if we turn on the burger tank sign?
It's worth a shot. Reloading.
Oh, yeah.
Rochelle! Let's get set up and hit the power to the side.
Heads up! All right, weapons.
On my way.
Need some help.
Hang on, baby. I'm not gonna let you fall. Weapons over here.
I hear a smoker.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. Let's get you back to your feet.
Guys, I think those switches screwed up, y'all. I need some help.
Did this seem like a good idea to you at some time?
Thanks.
Ready for this?
You're first.
That's what I'm talking about.
We have guns here.